I remain Honorable Eyozuwa Johnson Agboanyima, popularly called EJ. I am from Edo State, an APC member. I want to bring to the attention of our leaders, my dear amiable President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. My dear wonderful Governor, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, the Executive Governor of Edo State, and other leaders of our great party, APC.
He by himself don't cry, come on.
Let me say that the appointment of ambassadors from Edo State have been long-sided without showing federal character, where the three nominees designates are all from one senatorial zone, Edo North, where the majority, Edo South, that carried the majority of population and voting records,
don't turn minority.
Nothing to write home about. This is unacceptable. Our people are not happy about it. In every problem, there's a solution. I am appealing to our dear leaders, our president, our governor,
this federal
please
political
look into this matter urgently.
Ambassador,
because our people are talking. Some doesn't have the mind to come out, but they are talking everywhere. But I believe, for me, I want us to come together stronger than ever. Because I am part of this party. I'm a member of this party. I'm a friend those who have worked. There should be reward mechanism. Edo South have prominent Edo sons and daughters that are highly qualified to be nominated or be appointed as an ambassador designate. But it is on record as of today, all the ambassadors nominated are all from one senatorial zone. This is an aberration, unacceptable. It is appalling. As a party loyalist, I believe there will be fair share. Edo South deserve to be remembered at this particular time.
Get one
because
out of the
time will come where we need everybody to come together to vote and support
don't carry
our own.
The food we belong to young people.
That this decision
no be
taken can be amended.
Shebi una say Obaseki no good. Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. No be God, no Obaseki that vast this federal political appointment will come for Edo State to three ambassador Oshomole that vatan to Edo North. Una will be majority, una turn minority. Edo South, Itamuwa, Wamaon. This evil reign, he don't touch EJ Agboanyima. He don't cry, come out by himself. I know say this political appointment, this ambassador, he pain this man where he pain him. But unfortunately, Osioba don't carry the food where belongs to una. Go give your own people. Shebi una say Obaseki no good. Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. See wetin Oshomole wey be Osioba do una. The truth be say, these people, they know una secret. Yes. They know the pin, and I will give una the pin for year. The code be say, loyal to the king. Anything where the king talk, just do am. Even if you not do anything for the people of Edo South, they not care. They go sing praises, follow you. So long you are loyal to the king, so long you do anything where the king talk. Even if other people not chop or they don't get any appointment, they not go talk. So far, you give tickets to the Lions and Tigers with the Edo South. Edo South, Lions and Tigers. Now ticket, now be una portion for this government or for this party. Now so ticket una want the courts. Oshomole that VAT, three federal political appointment ambassador. He carry and go give your own people. Minority, now you can decide for una, will be majority. See how una take reduce una self to nothing. These same people go dey use una till they destroy una own. These same Oshomole wey divert this federal political appointment to young people so na im reduce Lucky Gbenedion to the level wey Lucky Gbenedion dey today. Make una not forget say when Lucky Gbenedion was the governor of Edo State, he make so many Benin people. Yes. Now Lucky Gbenedion make Bobizwa be who Bobizwa be today. This same Oshomole na im destroy Pastor Osagie Izeyamu political career. Oshomole vow say Izeyamu can never be the governor of Edo State. He do Izeyamu to the extent say Izeyamu no get maths when it comes to political issues for Edo State. Then go use una till they destroy una own. And they see they use una till they pursue Obaseki they go so. These same people now they use una till they pursue Obaseki they go so because they know say the only stronghold where those side they get now Obaseki. And now only Obaseki don't beat all their political records. Yes, Obaseki don't beat all their records. Obaseki fingerprints don't cover all their fingerprints. Now the reason why they look for one way or other, they use una make una take destroy Obaseki the way una take use una hand take destroy Lucky Gbenedion and they use una take destroy Izeyamu. Now wetin they do to una? Una say Obaseki na Ogiomba. See wetin Osioba they do una now. Omobera Begui have a settle. Una turn una own to something else. These people stand on the ground, they use una till they pursue una own, they go. The evil rain, never touch una now. Because these people know una secrets. Edo South, Itamuwa, Wamaon, now una will pay the ultimate pride when it comes to this government. This same Oshomole don't still give Okpebholo the pin. And that same code, now Okpebholo go take operate with una for 4 years if you are not in pinch am. Just loyal to the king. Anything where the king talk, do am. Even if you don't do anything for the state, these people not care. Even if you not give anything to the people of Edo South, they not care. They will sing praises, they follow you. These people, they really love Okpebholo. The answer is no.